In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Google Pay works on Gumroad checkout. If you want to offer Google Pay to your customers, the good news is that Gumroad already supports it natively through its checkout system. That means in most cases, there's no special integration to set up and no extra code to install. Gumroad handles the checkout architecture for you, which makes the process much simpler and helps create a smoother experience for buyers. The first thing you should do is go to your settings area, then open payments and make sure your account is fully verified. This part is important because payment methods and payout features typically depend on your account being properly set up and approved. If your account is missing any required verification details, certain payment options may not work as expected, so it's worth taking a moment to confirm everything is complete before testing anything else. Once your account is fully verified, Google Pay support is essentially handled automatically by Gumroad. In other words, you do not need to manually turn on a separate Google Pay feature inside checkout. As long as Gumroad supports it for your store and your account is in good standing, the system will present it to eligible customers when the conditions are right. For the buyer, the Google Pay button will appear automatically at checkout, but only if they're using a supported device and browser environment. For example, this commonly includes someone checking out on Chrome or on an Android device with Google Pay already active on their device. If those requirements are met, they should see the Google Pay option as part of the normal checkout flow. If the button doesn't appear, that doesn't necessarily mean something is broken. It may simply mean the buyer is not on a supported device, is using a browser that doesn't support the feature, or does not have Google Pay enabled on their device. So if you're testing this yourself, make sure you're doing it under the right conditions to get an accurate result. The key takeaway is that Gumroad makes this very straightforward. Verify your account by going to settings and payments, and then let Gumroad handle the rest. When a customer uses a compatible setup with Google Pay activated, the option should show up automatically at checkout, helping make payment faster and more convenient. And that's how to make sure Google Pay is available through Gumroad checkout.